And welcome back. If Buffer isn't posting to your Facebook page or your scheduled Facebook posts keep failing, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Buffer Facebook posting issues in 2026 using your Windows PC or Mac. Let's go through the solutions step by step. First, sign into your Buffer account and open your connected Facebook channel. Check whether your Facebook page is still connected to Buffer. If you've recently changed your Facebook password or updated your account security settings, the connection may have expired. If your page is disconnected, click the Reconnect option and sign in to your Facebook account again. Make sure you grant all requested permissions. Without the required permissions, Buffer won't be able to publish posts to your Facebook page. Next, confirm that you still have admin or full access to the Facebook page. If your role has changed or your permissions were removed, Buffer won't be able to publish content. Now, review the post you're trying to publish. Make sure your text, images, videos, and links follow Facebook's posting guidelines. Unsupported media files or restricted content may cause the post to fail. If you're uploading an image or video, verify that the file format and file size are supported. If necessary, upload the media again and create a new scheduled post. Next, refresh the Buffer dashboard and check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can interrupt the publishing process. If the issue continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies, restart your browser, and sign back into Buffer.